China's Ministry of Commerce announced a cancellation of the anti-dumping duty on wine from Australia, which will come into force on Friday. Sakura Ip has talked to some wineries planning to re-establish the Chinese market soon.
There had been an oversupply of grapes in recent years, and a lot of the fruit was destroyed. The Australian wine industry struggled as a result of China's punitive wine tariffs, but this might change now. China's Ministry of Commerce has announced the cancellation of the anti-dumping duty on wine from Australia, which will come into force on Friday. According to the Australian Grape and Wine, China's market accounts for 40% of the wine export from Australia. The mainland China market is worth about 1 billion Australian dollars. Australian wine merchants said they will focus on high-end wine to be more competitive.
People are tending to drink a little bit less by volume. They're still drinking at reasonably good price points. Over the last couple of years, other producer nations have taken some of that market share that Australian wine had in China as well. And one of those producer nations is, of course, China itself, which has seen serious growth in its vineyard area and its winemaking capability.
In this winery located in Sutton Forest in Canberra, these boxes of wine have been sitting in a warehouse for 3 years, but they are finally going to embark on the journey to China, which accounts for 80% of this winery's production. Charlie Wang, the owner of this winery, said he has relied on the limited local market for the past few years. He plans to visit China soon to re-establish his business. He also expects business to return to the pre-pandemic levels within 1 year. Sakura Ip, TVB News.